stars. So I was just scrolling on YouTube, Shorts, TikTok, whatever you guys like call it, and like I just saw that there's like this pom emporium mall, stuff like that, and like it's actually really like trendy, and like people say that there's so much nice stuff there. So I decided I'm gonna be going there. So let me just finish. Like I'm just going to be going there. Like look at how nice and pretty it is. You guys really need to search it up. Well, let's go. The Pom Emporium one is like the best. You guys really know. So I guess I'm just gonna get ready. Well, don't mind, guys. Look at how I got acne, and that's emotionally sad. I look like a little nerd right now. So yeah. But anyways, that's it. So I'm just gonna go for this outfit. And this. So I'm just gonna get rid of my acne. Okay, now that's done, I'm gonna start on with blush on. I think I'm gonna go for a brown one. Oh my gosh. Guys, my makeup brush is so old, so I'm gonna get a new one from the Emporium. So yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna make my hair and get dressed. Okay, now let me just put my glasses, and I just realized my glasses are matching. So real quick, I'm just gonna take this bag and like let's just put stuff I need. Yeah, I'm gonna take my Stanley. We always need my wallet, Stanley, phone, perfect. Let's go, guys, and I'm gonna just put my Stanley in. I'm going now. Guys, I'm just gonna grab a ticket. I look so bad right now. Actually, what is this? Oh my, somewhere I gotta go here. Oh, let me take my photo. That's gorgeous. Anyways, I'm just gonna leave it. Excuse me, did I leave that? Yeah, I don't have space. I'm gonna do that. Okay. Yes, can I get a coffee? A coffee? Okay. Thank you, and will that be crash or card? Oh no, I will also like a sandwich. Which one? We have green bread, white bread, whatever you bread. Here you go. Here you go. Ooh, what's here? Oh, it's a flower shop. Hi, welcome to my flower shop. Welcome to Missy's flower shop. Hi. Do you like a flower? Oh no, but like I would love to see. They're amazing. Anyways, I really need one for my wife. Yes. Can I? Oh yeah, of course. I will like this. That. I like the pink ones. There's two pink ones there. The darks. These? Yes. Thanks. Well, I better go. My pink's getting it. That lady there, she's like really copy, like she's waiting for everyone. Anyways. Hey Bazinga, can you hold my luggage? I'm not a worker. Oh. Everyone looks like a worker because I'm so rich. Are you Madison? Oh yes, I'm Madison. Oh, Madison, hi. Nice to meet you. Where are your cards? Didn't see them. Nice. But you're a celebrity, so you're acting like I'm your friend. Sorry, I do not have time for this, Madison. I'm not here a fan or anything, but you're weird. Excuse me? I really get. Where the hell is my ticket? Guys, I'm just gonna sit right here. Starting now. Yum. I can really come. And we have came to a stop. Oh, this is my stop. Well, guys, I'll see you there. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm here. Oh, hi. So I was wondering, are you like a YouTuber? No, I just keep doing it. Oh, of course, people are. YouTube's only coming out for vlogs. No. Do you want anything? No. Chewing gum? Oh, you have chewing gum? 50 cents. I know, but like, I don't have 50 cents right now, so I'm just gonna pay you my credit card. Thank you. Yes. Oh my god, they have gifts. They have the most prettiest cushions. Hi, sir, are you wearing a mask? Oh yes, that's my outfit. Oh, they're so cute. I'm gonna get one, of course, which one? I'll get them after. Okay, I want this one. So kiddo, here you go. Take it. Thank you. I guess that part's not for work. Let's go up. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is where it all happens. So I'm gonna go here. Oh my gosh, they have such of these pretty clothes. Yes, perfect. That's just what I needed. I'm gonna get a brush. Which one? This is the one I need. And I'm just gonna get another powder brush too. I mean, why not? So they have lipsticks too. I'm gonna get this one. And I don't want anything more. These colors are really pretty, but nah. I'm kind of on a budget right now. Not like a budget, but like, yeah. I'm gonna get this outfit. But first, let me try it on. Hi, is anyone in the student room? No, thank you. Guys, it looks so nice. Okay, where do I check out? Just with me. Okay. Only cash, please. Okay, let me just grab my cash. Not enough. And here. This place is expensive. Thank you. Oh my gosh, guys. Ooh, these are little figurines. I'm feeling my money is over after this. Oh. Okay. Yes. Okay, guys, I don't like that one much, but oh my. So I'm gonna get another one. It's nice and all, like, but like, yeah, my money is over. Please don't do this. Oh, it's so sad. Guys, I just found like 50 cents, so I guess that's... Oh wait, I gave like $5 so like I get 2 more. Yay. Yes, they're so cute. Okay, I'm keeping them. This one's really cute, but I'll keep it. Let's go. Oh my. Nice. I guess I like it. Hi, I like a blueberry tart. Let me make it for it. So yeah, please. Don't like a bazinga. Maybe try first. What? Sweet. There you go. Guys, this was amazing, and like I had so much fun right now. But like, one last thing's left. Let's go and get the cushion. You guys call them cushions, pillows, or like stuffed stuff? Like stuffed stuff? I don't know. I've heard some people say stuff, but I didn't even know it exists. I'm getting the strawberry. Hi, I like the strawberry with the orange. I already have the watermelon. Here you go. Hey. Oh my gosh. Here you go. Thanks. Okay guys, that's all for today now. Bye.